This is a brand new 2012 Ford F-150. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, parking distance sensors, a leather interior, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, and air conditioning. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Team Ford of Marietta is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 869 Cobb Parkway South in Marietta.